Okay, I am back after 15 minutes. So we were in the science dip exhibition. I showed you all the Junior Wings project from class nursery to KG2. Sorry, from class nursery to 3. So now it's time for seniors wings. I told you before that it will be from class 4 to 9. So I am here with class 4 students and their topic was model of solar system. So this all are the project done by the students of solar system, and the girl is explaining. Okay, tell me something about your project.
My project name is solar system. Our solar
Okay, what is this? This is solar system, right?
system.
Okay, tell me something about solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. This is Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay.
Sun is a star. Mercury is the closest planet from the Sun. Venus is the second closest planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet where life exists. It is also called the blue planet.
So solar system was described by the student. So now this is also a 3D model of solar system.
Of the solar system, there
So,
are 8 planets in solar system.
The student is describing about solar system.
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Earth, Neptune. Thank you.
Okay. So now let's go to the another class. Which class all you are?
5.
Tell me about your topic.
We got the topic of brain.
Okay. Can you explain it? Okay, explain it. Any one of you all? Okay. Tell, explain it.
Respected directors, sir, principals, sir, all the teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ananya Kumari. I'm a student of class 5, and today I'm here to explain my project. That is about the 3D model of the brain. And I'm now going to explain my project work. So my project work has given on the occasion of the National Science Day. In India, the National Science Day is celebrated on the 28th February every year because on this day, C.V. Raman has successfully formed the Raman effect of light.
Okay, just use the mic. Give her. Okay, use it. No, start from that point which was you have ended.
Okay. C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 and he won the Nobel Prize in 1930. 1930 in civics. Now I'm going to explain my project work about the 3D model of the brain. The human brain is an incredibly complex and fascinating
Explain your brain. Okay, thank you. Okay, which class you all are?
Class 5.
Is this the 3D model of brain?
Yes.
Okay, these are the projects of class 5. So, any one of you explain the brain? Okay, explain it. Anyone?
There are 3 types of brain. First is cerebrum, second is cerebellum, and third is medulla. Cerebrum is the upper part of the brain. It controls our thinking, learning ability, memory, and the basic intelligence. Second is cerebellum. Cerebellum is below the cerebrum. It is control our muscles and maintain our balance. The third is medulla. That is used to connect our brain to a spinal cord.
Okay, thank you. So now, is this topic class 5? Okay. So these all are the parts of brain. Any one of you? Okay, let me show the projects of them first of all. So these all are the parts of brain. And okay, tell me something about brain.
The brain is the most important part of our body. It is soft and delicate organ of our body. It is present inside the skull, which protects from damage and injury. There are three types of
Brain.
cerebellum, and medulla.
Okay. So which class you all are? Topic.
Rectilinear propagation of light.
Okay, this all are the project of the class 6. Any of you explain about the topic?
Yes, rectilinear propagation of light. The property of light, that light travels in a straight line, is known as rectilinear property of light.
Okay. So now let's go to the next class. Okay, class 7. What was your topic?
Dispersal of light.
Okay, explain any of it.
Phenomena of light includes component dispersal of light. When the light passes through a prism, it spreads into the band of 7 colors of spectrum. The colors in the spectrum are violet, indigo, green, yellow, orange, and red.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, which class you all are? Okay, topic. Okay, this all are the project of class 8. Can you all, anyone explain about the fire extinguisher?
A fire extinguisher is a device which is used to put out accidental fires.
Okay, this is the 3D model of fire extinguishers. Okay, which class you all are?
We are from class 9.
Okay, what was your topic?
Our project name is Magnetic Effect of Electric Current, as you can see here.
Explain your topic little bit.
First of all, I am going to explain the project structure.
Okay.
As this contains an iron main, some batteries and wires, and we use this project as a magnet. We use this iron nail as a magnet. That's it.
Okay, thank you. So, and now I will tell you something about the Science Day or why we celebrate Science Day. We all celebrate Science Day on the birth anniversary of C.V. Raman. It was 7 November 1888. Actually, it was not the birth anniversary. It was some achievement from the C.V. Raman. It was 7 November 1888 when he was born in South India. He discovered many things like Raman effect in 1928. He discovered Indian Journal Physics in 1926. He got the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. First, he was the first Asian to win it and the black person. He also got the Bharat Ratna.
Breathing, heartbeat, and blood circulation.
So, and now he died in 1970. It was some of the great achievements and the discoveries from the C.V. Raman. That's it for today. Thank you for joining the life of DPS Simrahi. Happy Science Day, and we all should honor the C.V. Raman, who was really a great Asian, to honor to do some achievements.
Okay, today is Science Day. We
Yes,
are
sir.
organizing Science Day in school for class nursery to standard 9. The theme of this Science Day is
That's why it is so hard.
empowering Indian youth for global leadership in science and innovation for Viksit Bharat. This is the theme of the project. We create the students to do the innovative idea. Every innovative idea create the things. A student prepare the project. Class by the student, there are several type of projects like solar system, parts of brain, parts of body, and this area is fire education. They all are based on concept based. Concept project made by a student of Delhi Public School, Simrahi. Thank you for watching the live telecast of today's Science Day. Today is National Science Day. This is a celebration on the birth ceremony of great Indian scientist C.V. Raman. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you. Happy Science